Hi everyone, I'm Lisa from Down to Earth Gardening and Design, and I'm out here in a field of sunflowers today. I want to talk about growing sunflowers. I'm actually at Buttonwood Farms in Griswold, Connecticut, which is a beautiful place to come out just to do a walkthrough, or they do the Make-A-Wish Foundation if you want to buy some cut flowers and cut them yourself. But today I want to talk about growing sunflowers because they're pretty easy, and look at the payoff here. So of course it's too late to start our sunflowers this year, so instead we can come out and cut them. But what you want to do is you want to purchase your seeds and you want to start them right in the ground when the ground warms up in the spring. So I would say that would be around mid-May. So direct sow, which means you can put them right in the ground from seed. You don't have to start them ahead. I like to plant them in rows because they're a little easier to manage. And you want to keep them, at least 4 inches apart. Of course, if they're the taller varieties, you want to keep them a little further apart, maybe even 8 or 10 inches. So you can start them in the rows, bury them about 1 inch, put them in full sun, 6 to 8 hours of sunlight per day. Starting them is a little tricky because the sprouts are edible, so of course the critters and the birds love them. So what you want to do is you just want to protect them by covering them with a cloche. They have some gorgeous ornamental ones out there. Or you can just do something simple, like cover them with a cheesecloth until they get going. Once they get going, they should be pretty safe. And then, like I said, the payoff is a beautiful cut flower. The seeds are also edible to us, as well as really nice bird seed if you want to dry the heads and keep the seed for the winter. So I hope you get out there and cut some flowers right now and start thinking about planting some sunflowers next spring. It's a great time to start planning for next year. So thanks for joining me today. Like our video if you enjoyed this, if you're looking for a little more gardening fun.